Today we are going to learn 100 most essential phrasal verbs for speaking English. So let's start. Get up. Get up mean rise from bed. I get up at 7 a.m. Then you will use get up. Wake up. Stop sleeping. Wake up. It's late. Get on. Board on a bus or train. Get on the train. Get off. Leave a bus or train. We got off at the next stop. Go out. Leave home socially. Let's go out tonight. Come in. Enter in a enclosed space. Come in, please. Come back. Return. He came back late. Sit down. Take a seat. Sit down and relax. Stand up. Rise. Please stand up. Lie down, recline, to rest. I need to lie down. These are the phrasal verbs of daily life and conversation. Okay, let's move to the next phrasal verbs. Put on. Put on mean here is wear. To wear anything like shirt, coat. Put on your coat. Take off. Take off has two meaning to remove cloth or accessories. First meaning is this, and the second meaning is when an airplane leaves the ground. Take off your shoes for clothes or accessories. He took off his hat, and for airplane leaves the ground, the plane took off on time. Try on. Try on. Test clothes. Try on this shirt. Hang up. Hang up has two meaning when put cloth on a hanger or end a phone call. He hung up before I could say. And hang up your jacket for put a cloth on a hanger. Pick up, collect, pick up your bag. Drop off, leave someone somewhere. I will drop you off at school. Clean up, tidy, clean up your room. Put away, return to place. Put away your toys. Throw away, discard, throw away the trash. Take out. Remove, to remove something from a place. Take out the garbage, remove it from inside to outside. Second example, she took out her phone, remove from bag or pocket. Then you will use take out. These are the phrasal verbs of clothing and daily task. Use these phrasal verb in your sentences. And for talking and communication, call back, return a call, I will call you back, hang up, end a call, he hung up on me. Speak up, talk louder, please speak up. Bring up, mention, don't bring it up now. point out indicates she pointed out the mistake. Talk over. It's mean discuss. Let's talk it over. Cut off. Interrupt. Sorry to cut you off. Break in. Interrupt. He broke in while I was speaking. Get across. Communicate clearly. Did I get my point across? Spell out. Explain clearly. Let me spell it out. Okay, these are the phrasal verb of talking and communication. Put off for time and plans. Phrasal verbs are put off, delay, do not put it off, set up, arrange, let's set up a meeting, call off, cancel, they called off the event, carry on, continue, carry on talking, hold on, wait, hold on a second, hurry up, move faster, hurry up, run out of, have none left, we ran out of milk, check in, register, we checked in at 2 p.m., check out, leaves or inspect, check out at 12 p.m., show up, arrive, he did not show up. These are the phrasal verb for time and plans. Next is uh, phrasal verb for relationships and people. Get along, have good relations, they get along well. Break up, end a relation, they broke up. Make up, reconcile, they made up. Look after, took care of. I look after my sister. Look up to, admire. I look up to him. Let down, disappoint. Do not let me down. Back up, sport. I will back you up. Fall out, argue. They fell out last week. Get together, meet socially. Let's get together soon. These are the phrasal verb for relationships and people. And the next is for learning and work. First is find out. Find out mean discover. I find out the truth. Figure out. Solve. I will figure it out. Work out. Exercise or solve. He works out daily. Carry out. Perform. They carried out a survey. Look into. Look into mean investigate. I will look into it. Take over. Assume control. She took over the company. Fill out. Complete. Fill out this form. Write down. Note. Write down your ideas. Take on. Accept responsibility. He took on more work. Turn down. Reject. They turn down the offer. So these are the phrasal verb for learning and work. And the next is for fixing and problems. Breakdown. Stop working. My car broke down. Fix up. Repair. They fixed up the house. Sort out. Solve. So we sorted out the problem. Deal with. Handle. I will deal with it. Come up with. Think of. She came up with a solution. Go over. Review. Let's go over it again. Run into. Meet by chance. I ran into Sarah. Look out. Be careful. Look out. Turn up. Appear. He turned up late. Turn down. Reduce. Turn down the volume. These are the phrasal verb for fixing and problems. Next phrasal verbs are for travel and movement. Set off. Begin a journey. We set off early. Take off. Plane leaves. The plane took off. Pull over. Stop car. The police pulled him over. Speed up. Go faster. Speed up, please. Slow down. Reduce speed. Reduce speed. Slow down. Drop by. Visit. Drop by anytime. Come over. Visit. Come over for tea. Head back. Return. Let's head back. Check out. Inspect. Check out this place. Move in. Start living. They moved in yesterday. These are the phrasal verbs for travel and movement. The other phrasal verbs are social and fun. Hang out, spend time, let's hang out, chill out, relax, chill out, it's fine. Show off, brag, stop showing off, dress up. Wear nice clothes, let's dress up tonight. Take part, participate. She took part in the contest. Contest. Join in, participate, join in the game. Mess around, waste time, stop messing around, hook up, meet casually. We hooked up last night, catch up. Update each other. Let's catch up soon. Go over. Repeat. Go over your notes. These are the phrasal verb for social and fun. The next phrasal verbs are finishing and ending. Wrap up. Finish. Let's wrap up. Wind up. Finish. Time to wind up. Close down. Stop business. They close down. Shut down. Stop operating. They shut it down. Cut out. Stop. Cut it out. Run out. Finish supply. We ran out of time. Use up, consume fully. She used up all the milk. Back out, withdraw. He backed out. Face out, remove gradually. They phased out all rules. End up. Final result. He ended up rich. These are the phrasal verbs for finishing and ending. These are 100 most essential phrasal verbs that you must to know. So remember these phrasal verbs and use these phrasal verbs in your sentences to make your speaking better and your writing better by using these phrasal verbs. If you have any question, drop your comment below the video. I will answer it.